This is findings from a new lung cancer study. Suggest that liquid biopsies may soon replace invasive tissue biopsies. By liquid biopsies, they're basically talking a blood test. That's how cool this is. How many of you guys could go in for a blood test? Well, Dr. Dahlia, I really don't like needles. Come on, quit being a weenie. Okay, it's a lot easier than a lung biopsy. So this is pretty cool. Okay, so let's dissect this. Hold on, here we go. Now, all right, so a liquid biopsy, what it does is it does rapid plasma genotyping. It involves analyzing blood samples to detect mutations or abnormalities in the DNA. So this is basically what happens. You have cancer, let's say, God forbid, okay? And the cancer cells start to die off. You know, cancer cells will have a lifespan of their own also. Okay, so cancer cells will live as long as they are genetically programmed to. So the cancer cell goes through its life cycle and then dies. When it dies, its genetic material seeps out into the bloodstream because the cell wall of that cancer cell breaks down. So this blood test can pick up on that. And some of you are like, well, wait a second. I mean, if it's let's say a colon cancer cell, how does it know it's cancerous and not just regular colon cells? Because a cancerous cell will have different DNA, or like a mutation of it. It'll look different. So you see what they could do then? What they could do, this is so fascinating to me. I'm fascinated by this. If you guys want to take a nap, fine, go take a nap, but I'm excited. So basically, they do a blood test, it picks up the DNA from cancer cells, and then they could find out, wow. And what they do is depending on what type of cancer it is, if they could, do this genotyping where they figure out, okay, this is from a lung cancer cell, or this is from a prostate cancer cell, or a breast cancer cell, then they do the test, and then they could go after the breast or go after the lung.